guys. All right. Today we are going to be doing two things. We're going to be taking our STEMS List 7 tests, and then we're going to be putting our literary analysis all together into one document. So it's a little different than what we've been doing. You're still going to go to daily agenda, but there's not going to be a slideshow like there have been since we started virtual learning. So first thing is I am going to email you the code for our STEMS quizzes. So if you click your quizzes and just leave that open, I will email you the join code at the beginning of your period because we're going to take it during your normal either second period or fourth period cluster class. So that's the first thing you're going to do is take that quiz over the STEMS List 7. If you want to get some last minute studying in before, that might be a good idea. And then the main class assignment that you guys are going to do today. So once you click this class assignment, it's going to open up a document that looks like this. So this is where we've been working on all of our paragraphs for our literary analysis. This is where we're putting it all together into one essay. Then don't forget, this is counting as a test grade, so you really want to make sure you're putting forth your best effort on this. Okay, so first we have our heading. So you're going to change this to your first and last name. If you're period 2, then you're going to take off the 4. If you're period 4, then you're going to take off the 2. Okay, so just put whatever class period you have, cluster. You can leave the date. That is today's date. And then I'll go back to the highlighting in a minute. So I went ahead. Everybody's going to have the same title for your literary analysis since they're all over Walk Two Moons. And then up here too, I'm going to put, I want you to copy and paste what your writing prompt is. Okay, so remember you chose a writing prompt, so you're going to copy and paste in here what your writing prompt is. Okay, and then when you actually go to type your paragraphs, I want you to justify it, which means all of the lines line up. Make sure you indent your paragraphs and then make sure it's double spaced. So you'll click this line spacing button and make sure that it's double spaced. Okay. All right, so how you're going to put this all into one document, you are going to have to go back to all of your assignments. You have your introduction, your body, and your conclusion. So the easiest way to do this is probably to go to your main page of Canvas, and then on the side here, click assignments. And when you click assignments, then you'll have a list of all of your assignments from second quarter. So what I would do is go down to introduction paragraph, body paragraph, and conclusion paragraph and open those 3 documents up. Okay, so introduction, body, conclusion. Then when you have them open, so they should look something like this, you're going to go down to where you actually typed your paragraphs. Obviously, you're going to have one already typed in here. You're just going to copy and paste it. So Control-C to copy it, and then you'll paste it onto this document. And then you'll do your body paragraph. So you'll go down to your assignment, copy it, go back to here, paste it. Same with your conclusion. Okay, so you'll have to open those 3 documents back up and copy them. Make sure you put them in the right order: introduction, body, conclusion. And then if you don't remember what your prompt is, it's on all 3 of these slides. So you'll just remember these were your 4 options and you had to highlight your writing prompt. So all you'll have to do again is just copy and paste whichever one you decided to do, and then you'll paste it right here. Okay. All right, and then finally, once you get everything copy and pasted, that's where you're kind of looking at, okay, do I have a topic sentence? If I do, highlight it yellow. Do I have a thesis statement? Highlight it purple. Transition words, so those also, however, finally, all those transition words, you want to highlight them green. And I'm going to say that I want you to have at least 4 throughout your essay. And then those examples from the story. So when you're actually quoting from Walk Two Moons, or when you're talking about a specific thing that happened, then I want you to highlight that blue. Okay. And now is where you can see, do I have everything spelled right? Is my grammar correct? Okay. Again, this is counting as a test grade. So I want to make sure we get everything right and you're doing the best that you can do on it. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to get back on the Zoom or you can email me. Thanks, guys.